engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This week's weather.
Junior's top music.
Hot news with Juan.
Internet videos.
Internet questions with Juan.
Welcome back to the Buddy Show.
What's up, people? I am your weekly host, Juan, on the Buddy Show.
Hey everybody, my name is Junior.
And Gio.
Let's get started with this weekly pop news.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for
Pop news with Juan. What's up, guys? Are you guys heard in the intro? My name is Juan, and in today's pop news, one of the pop news I have for you guys is the NFL is looking to launch its own streaming service this summer. The platform will reportedly cost around $5 per month and will feature live games and mobile phones and tablets. Here's how the rumored purple iPhone 14 Pro will probably look. What's leaving on Netflix in June? Criminal Minds, The Exorcist, The Lady Bird, and more. Check out a full list of movies and TV shows leaving the streaming platform next month. That is so sad, guys. Logitech MX Masters 3S makes the best wireless productive mouse even better. And here's a picture. Go check it out, guys. All right, everyone. Until next time.
ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for
Hot news with Juan.
Like and subscribe in this video. Go to notifications on YouTube. Don't forget to follow the Buddy Show. Now to the video.
Those stories about the iPhone 14 were amazing, but since economy was really hard for me this time, this quarantine was hard, so I just was able to afford this one. But now let's jump on to Junior's top music.
3, 2, 1. Lo que vas a escuchar a continuación te dejará con la boca abierta.
Hey everybody, my name is Junior. This is Junior Top Music. The first song we're gonna play is some old songs. It's about I didn't like it because I don't know how it is. So here we go. The second one is about Gerardo Ortiz. This song is I dislike this, not like, because it talks about a girl putting like a lot of makeup and then what's up. I know the girl likes to be nice, but come on, my boy, making a song of them, that's cool.
Baile se maquillan y se echan mucho colorete y se le quedan los cachetes moraditos de verdad. Ellas bailen muy pintadas, con su carita relumbrando. Luego ya que está bailando, todos empiezan a gritar.
And the third song is about one of my favorite songs I like to hear, Burley. It came out from a long time, but we're gonna be hearing it right now. And the fourth song, it's una canción que sí me pegó a mí. It's about relationship, but hay muchas pescados ahí para pescar.
Y ando pedo viejo. Como Lenny. Jesús. Saludcita para todos los que andan tomando. ¿Están tomando o no están tomando, cabrones, pues? ¡Ay! ¿Un traguito qué? Venga, su traguito, viejo. Poquito porque se acaba, dicen. No hay que darle muchas vueltas al asunto. Tú a mí me fallaste y punto.
And the last song is, I like this song because it's brand new, que apenas está saliendo en YouTube.
Ese morrillo soñaba ser grande. En ese negocio, ese de los trailers, miraba a mi padre cuando iba a chingarle, recorriendo esos caminos detrás del volante.
3, 2, 1. Hoy no más. Lo que vas a escuchar a continuación te dejará con la boca abierta.
Bye, you guys. We hope we pray and give a lot of people our heart, our feelings to the people from Texas, because they need us right now, because they having a bad long weekend for them, for their family, and pray for their family and their family, to their friends and all them people. Now we're going to the weather.
My phone broke. No sir, no service, no fly mode. I'm gone. Tell them that my phone overstressed. I bought my nails, cause where you think I got my flow from? I took 2 pages from the book you never gave me. Cut short on your call when you were abroad. I guess if my phone dies, so that's my chance to blame me, myself and I. Don't you bother dealing my number tonight. Now that you tried, did you? Heart sinking in the split second, thinking this device just won't got me to you, huh? So I smashed it, crashed it, touched it from the window to the wall as it flew John Nasty. My friends.
I hope you guys like the channel, subscribe, and like the video. Back to the video.
Nada Sports with Gio.
Sports and events with Gio.
My name is Gio and I can talk sports. So, it's football season, guys, and September 15th. Sheesh. Who's ready for football, guys? So, Patriots, Dolphins, and the Chiefs, they have a hard schedule in that days. Wow. So, Ahmed, and then we got sports. Keep going. So, we got America losing versus Pachuca 3-0. Wow. And then we got a final Atlas versus Pachuca. First is in Jalisco on Thursday. And then we have one on Sunday. It's in Pachuca. Wow. I don't know those teams. They come super quick. And then we got the Warriors winning game 3 on the NBA Finals. Who will not making it? But we trying to make them. And then we have the event on the fair festival. Wow. I went to that fair. And guess what, guys? We had it fun. Me and my brother, we had it fun in that festival. And I went to those rides. I went like in 6 rides. Until I wasted all the tickets. And I won a prize also. I buy a fish, pet, and it's so good. And I was just gonna wait for the cake, but we had no time. Because I was super late. Bye! Until next time.
Sports and events with Gio.
I just want to say, everyone, thank you for all the support and having us in this show. And let's get started. And now let's jump on to the internet questions. One of the internet questions I have for you guys, for the audience and us in general, is what makes you smile every time you look at it?
Me, my mom, and my dad, because they're the first person, like, they brought us to life, and they did a lot of stuff for us.
How about you, Jill?
All day, family and friends and staff.
Do you have a reason why?
Because we're our family or staff, we're nothing for them.
Wow. In me in general, I will go with the same as Juan. Cause if we didn't have our family, we wouldn't be here doing this amazing show. And also the staff, cause without them we can do this type of show. Now the other internet questions I have for you guys was, what are the worst apps or computer programs you have used before?
The worst program I used to have in my Apple laptop, it was MP3 music, and that was the hardest one because every time I wanted to download music, I had it to pay like $20, $15, depends on the song, and it takes a while or 2 days to download. And another one, it was MySpace, because you never couldn't use it to the iPhone because you had it to download it through the computer or through a different phone so you could have it.
How about you, Jill?
I'll say Google research.
Google, but why Google though?
Because you have Apple though, and Apple devices does everything though.
To me, guys, the worst apps, and I regret it, like, from bottom of my heart, I regret having it. It was I don't know if you guys heard, it's like iMovie, but it's called Movavi.
Yeah,
I heard. Once I had the opportunity. I told my dad, you know what, I'm gonna get it and whatever. I convinced them, but when I saw the price, I saw like $40. I got it. I regretted so much having the app that I was like, I'd rather use iMovie since I'm an Apple person. I'd rather use iMovie because iMovie is almost the same thing, literally the same thing. So I regret having Movavi. The other program that I had, I did. It was like I feel like LimeWire was like a website you could use to download music, right?
Yeah.
So I had it. I went to my uncle's house. I went to my uncle's house once, and he told me, "You want to download like music, like on the spot?" I told him, "Yeah." So I grabbed my phone, and that time I had iPod Touch, and I told him, "You know what? I disconnected my phone. I connected to the computer like regular." And he told me, "You want to download music?" And I downloaded all the music I could until it passed like around 3 weeks. And I hear knocking at my door. And I was all like, "Who is it?" Yeah, van a hacer los aleluyos or something, you know? They kept knocking. I was like, who is it? And I told her, "Who is it?" And after the third knock, I opened the door, and I realized, and I saw that they had like a badge and everything. And like, "Who is it?" And I saw that they had like a cop badge. I was in my head, "Oh my God, what did I did?" So they came, they like handcuffed me. And I was all like, I was about to cry, not gonna lie. I was about to cry. Dije, ¿dónde me van a meter?
A la cárcel te van a meter.
Pero thanks to my parents that they were there to support, you know. They paid the fine. And I was almost like crying, but I mean, that's, to me, I learned it. I saw it as a way of learning, you know. Because you never know, things they might say it's free, but once you use them, te engañan y eso te puedes meter en problemas. So it's always better to watch out and not use it for esa ventaja, porque luego te puede pasar como a mí. Now switching topics, let's jump on to would you rather questions. One of the would you rather questions that I have for you guys is, which of these would you rather suffer for $10,000? Hiccups, stomachache, or diarrhea, or constant itchiness?
I will say stomachache.
Why stomachache though? I mean, it's
because stomachache, it's like you could hold it and then maybe it could go away like later or on the night. So it's like not good. I could hold it because it's not like hurting me bad, but I could hold it till it finish for.
Hey, I will, right now that I saw right now, I'd rather go with hiccups. I mean, why not hiccups? I mean, like, it's better porque dicen que, I don't know if you guys heard, pero dicen que el dicho que cuando te dan hiccups, si alguien te asusta, se te van.
No.
So why would you not choose hiccups, bro?
Because I tried before, because hiccups, it stays there for a long time.
Yeah, but
trust me.
Yeah, but like I'm saying, the hiccups will go easily si te asustan.
But it's true.
Porque las hiccups se te quitan con el susto. Wait, why not, Joe? Wait. Something's going on.
Because I tried once. They tried to scare me, but it didn't work.
You still have it. Pero
the hiccups,
but the hiccups se van si te asustan, pero sin que tú te agarran desprevenido, you know?
Still, si te asustas o no te asustan,
you still have it.
You still have them, bro.
To me, from those three options, to me, I will go with the diarrhea one.
Why the diarrhea one?
Diarrhea one, because let's say if you eat like, you know how parents make you sometimes food, pero hay veces que no te cae bien. So I feel like it depends on the food that the person, your parents, or if you go to a restaurant, or whatever. It depends on the food that they give you, because sometimes the food it might taste good and be like delicious, but at the end is when you suffer the consequences, and you could get like diarrhea, a really bad stomachache. So I'd rather not choose that.
No, both wow.
Now let's move on with another would you rather questions. Would you rather have a car that it's a Transformer or a Pokemon as a pet?
I prefer Pokemon.
Hey, pero dicen que Pokemon is I don't know. I heard this online on YouTube that Pokemon is considered like the devil. Do you think that's true?
Nah, I don't believe that. Because Pokemon, see, you have a pet, you're not going to be putting gas on the car. You're not going to be checking the engine. You're not going to be checking the motor. It brakes on the freeway or you go somewhere. You had to call the
towing car
or somebody to help you to bring gas, or see the brakes don't want to start, or the car don't want to start.
Mechanics.
Or the starter, it's gonna be something, and then it's a pet. You could take him to a vet or clean his mess and have it, and you could have him everywhere. You could take him everywhere, but the car is gonna be hard.
Oh, how about you, Jill?
Uno de los dos, ya.
¿Uno de los dos? ¿Por qué?
Porque está bien duro. Al tener un carro y un pet.
Okay, me, I will go with Transformer since I have one. I have it right here next to me. My little Transformer. But, because without this, I can't move.
No, pues sí. Con eso no se puede mover.
Con eso, mi Transformer, lo que tiene, no puedo dar promoción a la compañía que me lo regaló. Pero aquí puedo subir a la novia. Mira, una para los dos lados y otra para ahí. Mira, la otra de aquí atrás me puede dar un masajito, que porque esta cosa está bien pesada, me puede dar un masajito. Alright, guys, that's our show. My name is Juan. Until next, buddy show.
My name is Junior.
And Gio.
Make sure, guys, to catch us on Facebook, Instagram, and all platforms, including anchor.fm/The Buddy Show. And also text us to the number 279-500-6113. 279-500-6113.
Batteries low, Sally, please don't hold.
Until next time, guys.
See ya.
You suddenly froze, cold ass key slope, so yeah. I didn't even text my mama back, panicking fuck. I'm stuck like a mannequin shook. Like what? Are we at it again? Luck don't seem to come my way, so come with me. I cursed you out a couple times just to swearing and sweating. Ain't dropped a couple rhymes. If I'm mad at, I'm medicate. No debate. I set the pace. I get my space and I vibe in it like cool kicks on Saturday. Voicemail. Can a brother just log out for 1 week? My flow's on the sheet, my soul's in the neat. Leave a message after the beat. No sir, there's no fly mode. I'm gone.